May the sun shine on Tibet today. Truth's reflections rise and find their way to the darkest corners of the world. Brilliant white, highest heights, far beyond the shadows. Peace and harmony spread in all directions, Buddha's words engraved. Those of compassion chosen divine, sparkling jewels to rule, protectors, karmic treasures all displayed. Golden times filled with signs, happiness for all within a diamond rainbow. Hear the enlightened call. May the sun shine on Tibet today. May the sun shine on Tibet today. May the sun shine on Tibet today. Sunshine on Tibet today. May the sunshine. May the sunshine on Tibet today. May the sunshine. May the sunshine on Tibet.